Hello everyone, I am Shuman Barman from West Bengal. I have secured All India first rank in the exam ICAR 2023 in the module Entomology and Nematology. I have got my BSc degree from College of Agriculture Extended Campus, Uttarbango Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Majhian. I would like to thank my parents, my teachers, especially Dr. Victor Foni sir, and my friends and seniors and juniors who have supported me in this journey. I have started my preparation for this exam from third year. And this subject group is divided into three parts. First one is the entomology, second one is nematology, and the third one is general agriculture part. For entomology, I have followed the book Insecta written by TNU authors, which covers the history, morphology, physiology, and taxonomy part. For beneficial insects and integrated pest management, I have followed the book Principles of Applied Entomology written by the same authors. I have followed the book Applied Entomology written by D.S. Reddy for toxicology portion and crop pest portion, and also the non-insect pest portion. And I have also covered the beneficial insect and crop pest from the book Elements of Economic Entomology written by David and Ramamurthy. After completing all these books, I have completed the one-liner book Entomology Refresher and Entomology Treatise. Besides this, I have also followed the Angrao notes to clear the basic concepts. For nematology portion, I have followed the book A Textbook of Plant Nematology written by Bajaj and Walia and Nematology Refresher. But nowadays, these two books are not sufficient as lots of questions are coming from outside of these books. I will suggest my juniors to follow the other available books for nematology part. And the third part is the general agriculture portion, which is very much important that decide the rank. And nowadays lots of questions are coming from general agriculture portion. For general agriculture portion, I have followed the book A Competitive Book of Agriculture written by Nemra Sunda and the Fundamentals of Agriculture book written by Arun Katyan and some of our university notes to clear the basic concepts. And my suggestion to the next year juniors is that read all the books thoroughly as much as you can until you get satisfied. Don't be afraid of anything. Make your own notes and identify your strong and weak points. Make some charts and diagrams so that you can follow it daily, and give equal importance to all the three parts of this subject group because all the three parts of this subject groups are equally important. Keep yourself calm and believe in yourself. If you work hard, you will get success. Lastly, I would like to thank the Agri Toppers Academy for giving me this chance to share my thoughts with others. And actually, I was not prepared for this kind of interviews. I'm sorry for any unintentional inconvenience. Thank you.